Hello YouTube, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made a bomb drop on my Carbon Cub S Plus. You're going to need a new receiver, some zip ties, and you're going to need one long lead servo. Step 1, I laid out where the servo and the mount would be. Step 2, I cut out the hole for the servo and made sure that it would fit. After that, I removed the plate and glued the servo onto the side of the airframe. While the belly pan was removed, I added zip ties to the bottom and re-glued the belly pan to the plane. With the servo arm away, I trimmed an old push rod to stop at the beginning of the first zip tie. Now when I close the servo and it goes the other way, the control arm will go through both zip ties and pinch whatever's on the inside from falling. Alright, so here's the servo and the control arm here set to the open position. When I put this zip tie in here like that, I flip it to closed, this zip tie is now stuck. That's how the bomb drop works. So anything I attach to this zip tie will drop when I flip it this way. Bam, got my zip tie back. Now here's how I attach the zip tie to the bomb. I just got my X-Acto knife and I poked the slit straight through and loop the zip tie through. You pull the zip tie tighter than this. I just left it big so you can see how I did it. And then you just loop it in there, close it, all fine. Now the only thing is you got to make sure that your bomb, when it's on here, it won't hit the ground. That's why I did it as close to where the water pontoon wheels would go, right there. So that's everything on the step-by-step on how I made the bomb drop work. Here's the video of me testing it on the first try. I hit the truck. The rest of the evening I was not able to hit it. But thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, ring the bell, do all the things, and stay tuned for more videos to come.